This is the second derivation from the chapter 5 arithmetic progressions, the sum of the first 10 terms of an arithmetic progression, the formula to find out the sum. So we already know what the formula is, so you just have to derive the original one you have to derive. So we will start by writing down how we are representing the arithmetic progression. So let us say that the first term is A and the common difference be D. Since we have already derived the formula for nth term, we already know it can be used here. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. If we have to find out the sum of first n terms of this AP, it will be given by A1 plus A2, so on up to An. This is by definition the sum of the first n terms of the arithmetic progression. You start from the first term and keep on adding up to the nth term, and that will give you the sum. So if I had to represent simply, this can be taken as Sn equals to A1 plus A2 up to An. Now, if you check your textbook, उन्होंने जब ये derivation की है, on the left hand side they have not used the subscript. So you can avoid using the subscript. S will represent the sum itself for said n terms, first n terms. So अगर आप नहीं use करते, that's completely fine. That just makes our work easier because later on we will be working with two equations. That's completely fine in case you don't use it. I'm going to apply the formula for nth term for each of these values. I have the first term and the common difference. So Sn A1 is A. This is your first term. The second term can be written as A plus B. If I had to write down the third term, it will be A plus 2B. So on up to the nth term, that will be A plus n minus 1 times D. Let's say this is equation number 1. Also, same sum of the first n terms can also be expressed like this, writing the sum in a reverse order. रीअरेंज करते हैं हम, जैसे रीअरेंजमेंट नहीं है, सिर्फ उसको रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखा है. rather than adding 1 2 3 4 up to the nth term, it's done in reverse. nth term से previous आते 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 first term पे आते हैं हम, backwards आते हैं जहां तक हमें addition करनी. Putting the values again, Sn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D, the value for nth term. Then for n minus 1th term, उससे previous term क्या होगी? A plus n minus 2 times D, so on up to the second term and the first term. This can be taken as the second equation. Tell me if it is clear till here. सिर्फ representation की है. Anyone who could not understand what I have written here? The reason we have done this will be clear when we add these two equations. The equations when added are the terms which align with each other. First term in the expression on the right hand side, the second terms in the expression on the right hand side, so on sequence wise. अगर आप add करते हो, they form a pattern. So adding equation number 1 and equation number 2, keep in mind this is the equation that we are adding. On the left hand side you get twice the representation for sum, 2Sn. On the left hand side, on the right hand side, I will be adding the terms at their respective places, corresponding जो places है. First place वाली term को first place वाली term के साथ add कर लो, second place पे जो terms है उनको आपस में add कर लो, so on up to the last term. So this term here will be added with this one. Can you see what will be the expression? Tell me if you add these two. You will get 2A plus n minus 1 times D. Then adding the second term So the ones I have marked with green, if you add these two, twice A plus, combine the terms containing D, and then up to the last one. Let's write down the sum of the last terms, this one. So this is again 2A plus n minus 1 times. Observe and see, on the right hand side, we have the same expression being added multiple times. This is the expression 2A plus n minus 1 times D. यही add हो रहा है repeatedly. Repeated addition को आप लिख सकते हो as multiplication if you know how many times the addition was performed. अगर उसी किसी भी वैल्यू की एडिशन हो रही है repeatedly, for example if 2 is being added 5 times, the answer can be given by 2 multiplied with 5. If 10 is being added 10 times, then the answer can be given as 10 multiplied with 10. So here this bracketed expression has been added multiple times. Repeated addition है. अगर आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है, अपने लिए आप लिख सकते हो repeated addition of 2A plus n minus 1 times इस expression की repeated addition है. So we are now looking at how many times this addition is performed here. Can you think of that? It's already there.
N times.
N times.
This is n times because हमने n terms add की थी. This is repeated addition of this expression n times. So expressing the repeated addition as multiplication, on the right hand side you can write down n multiplied by this expression which has been added. जिसको add कर रहे हैं वो आएगा, जितनी बार add कर रहे हैं वो आएगा, उनका product. On the right hand side you have twice n, and transposing 2 from left hand side to the right hand side, you have your formula for n terms, sum for n terms, first n terms. Tell me if it is clear. There were just 2 or 3 main things to remember here. First of all, you have to write down the sum in order, first up to the nth term, then the same sum in reverse. उन दोनों sums में आपको terms को replace करना है. A1 with A, A2 with A plus T, so on, जो nth term का formula है. जो आपने दो expressions form किए उनको add कर लो. Add करने के बाद जो right hand side है, that will give you a pattern of a repeated addition of this value 2A plus n minus 1 times. वो बार बार add हो रहा है. कितनी बार add हो रहा है? We know there were n terms, so the addition is being performed n times. We write that repeated addition as multiplication, and hence we get the answer. Tell me if it is clear. Anyone with questions here? Because that's it. This is it. With this, your chapter is complete and the derivations are complete. Please go through the examples, all the examples. I will be sharing the assignment after the class, and you can start working on the assignment as well. If everyone has written this, we can proceed to the next chapter. 10th standard, anyone who's writing this?
No, ma'am.